Next is problem 3. Solve the equation. We have a linear equation of this form. What should we do?
So, as in the first problem, we should use PEMDAS, or the correct order for solving linear equations. And the first
But can we do PEMDAS here? We have in PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can we compute the parentheses?
No, but you can simplify the parentheses.
Can you simplify the parentheses? So we cannot really compute them because we don't know x yet. And we don't have any exponents. So we are left with multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So maybe we can start with multiplication and division. There is no division. And what do we have here for multiplication?
We have 5 times parentheses open 3x minus 7 parentheses close.
Mm-hmm. We call it distributive property, right? We want to distribute 5 to each term inside the parentheses. 5 is outside, and by distributive property, we can get rid of the parentheses. What will be our result?
We will get 15x, since 5 times 3x, minus 5 times 7, or 35.
Very good. So that's how we got rid of the parentheses. Then we can copy everything else. It was plus 1. And the right side is 4x minus 1. What's next?
Now what I would try to do is to get the variables and constants on different sides.
Mm-hmm.
But first of all, we should simplify. So minus 35 plus 1, we can basically make it negative 34.
Mm-hmm.
Adding 1 in the positive direction.
That's right. From negative 35, we're moving up 1. That's minus 34. And here we have 4x minus 1. So all terms with x should go to the left because 15 is bigger than 4. And all terms without x should go to the right. How do we move terms around? How do we move 4x to the left?
We would basically just subtract 4x from both sides.
Mm-hmm. Subtract 4x. It disappears from the right side, and on the left side, it will become
11x.
15 minus 4. It was 15 of them. We removed 4. We have 11 left. Minus 34 equals to negative 1. Notice this negative. It belongs to 1, so it stays. It will be negative 1 on the right side. All right. This is much simpler equation. Let's go.
The next step that we should do is move the negative 34 over to the side with the 1 so that the constants can be on one side of the equation.
Mm-hmm. So constants will be together. We will add 34. It cancels here. And right side is 34 minus 1.
Which is 33.
That's convenient. 11x is equal to 33.
And to finish the equation, we would simply divide both sides by 11 in order to isolate x and get what it's equal to.
33 divided by 11, it's divisible, and we will get 3. Okay, but if we want to, we can also check that our solution fits the equation. Let's go back to the original equation and plug in this value into it. We'll have 5 times 3 times 3 minus 7 plus 1. And we're checking if it is equal to 4 times 3 minus 1. Now it's a regular expression. We can use PEMDAS to evaluate it. And we'll go step by step. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 7 is 2. Then 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1, this is 11. And the right side is 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 1 is also 11. It works. So we know our solution to the equation is correct.